धीरज सर, आई एम ऑडिबल? धीरज सर?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible.
ओके सर, ओके सर,
Ramshankar ji, you are audible.
ओके सर।
आप देखिए आवाज आ रही है, बोलिए।
हेलो रामशंकर जी।
कैमरा इधर निकाल दो, मैं भी काम।
फोन में क्या है? आवाज नहीं आ रही है। आ जाएगी।
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
आपकी आवाज सब जा रही है।
Hello. Is Arti here? Arti Gaur is here. Okay, Arti. Yeah,
Good morning,
I can
sir.
see. Yeah, good morning. Akanksha is here. Akanksha. Nasra. Nazra Noori. Shadab.
आपकी आवाज सब जा रही है ना? शुरू करना है रिकॉर्डिंग।
ठीक है, ये स्टार्ट हो गया। हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो मैं कर
काम कर लिया, आप उसकी चिंता बिल्कुल मत कीजिए, अपने ढंग।
Chinky and Shweta.
सर सर प्लीज आप बात कर लीजिए
क्या
कि बच्चों को जुड़वा बच्चे कनेक्ट हो गए ना सर? सारे बच्चे कनेक्ट हो गए?
हाँ जी, हाँ आ रहे हैं, अभी भी आ रहे हैं मेरे पास. Okay, so I'll start now. Good morning, everyone. Myself Pankaj Sharma, a BBA faculty. I'm inviting our guest, Mr. Amit Arora, who is a great philanthropist, and he is the CEO of EcoVisionary Private Limited, having a working experience of more than 20 years and vast experience in this economics field also. He has given his contribution as an e-research person in NCERT and had given the enormous publications in the same field. Here, I'm welcoming Mr. Amit Kumar Arora on behalf of IMT College of Management. I know that this is the first time that we are inviting such entrepreneurs from outside, and that he is going to guide us also and fill the competition, which is based on our seminar, this competition, which we are conducting for the business plan and its prototype. So here, just I welcome our director sir also, Dr. Abhinna Bhakti Bhatnagar, and welcoming the deans of our college, other faculty members, and my dear students on this event, which is we are conducting online presentation based on the topic of business plan and prototype competition. So here, I would like to invite Dr. Sir, Dr. Abhinna Bhakti Bhatnagar Sir, and Director Sir, to say a few words on behalf of us. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Pankaj. I am audible?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so nice of you, and good morning to all. Such types of activities are mainly made for the students. So the students are the locus of such activities, and I am happy to share that I am looking and just watching so many student faces. On behalf of IMT College of Management, I invite and I really thankful to Mr. Amit Arora.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I did.
सर एक अनाउंसमेंट है, प्लीज ऑल स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज आप लोग अपने को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए और आपको वीडियो भी ऑफ कर लीजिए। आपको अभी एक एक करके इनवाइट किया जाएगा, तब आप वीडियो ऑन कीजिएगा। ऑल स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज ऑफ योर वीडियो, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज ऑफ योर वीडियोस,
Off your video and mute yourself.
बाकी आपको अभी इनवाइट किया जाएगा एक एक करके, लिस्टिंग है हमारे पास, तब आप एकदम कीजिएगा, ठीक है? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके, कंटिन्यू, प्लीज कंटिन्यू सर।
Yeah, sir, please. Doctor sir, please unmute yourself also. Doctor sir, please unmute.
Hello.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Ram Shankar ji. Just unmuting myself and all the students has to mute. So again, I request all the students that please kindly mute your phones so that we can start up. So again, on the part of from the IMT College of Management, once again, I welcome Mr. Amit Arora ji, and I am really thankful that he has spared his valuable time from his busy schedule. So I hope this program is going to be a very entrepreneur, and I am really very happy that the students definitely having so much ideas, especially very good business ideas, and hopefully this program is going to be a successful. Thank you to everybody.
Thank you, sir. Now, I'm inviting IIC President Professor Anil Kumar Nigamji to say a few words about IIC programs and its vision. Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of IIC of IMT Management,
Sir, your voice is, yeah, okay.
sir, am I audible again?
Yeah, sir, we can hear.
So, dear students, as you know, that IIC is trying to do some innovative work with the help of our students and the faculty members. You know that innovation, innovative ideas can change the scenario, this education system. So we have the main thing is that we should have some ideas and innovative ideas, and the ideas come from the students and the faculty members who are on the process of learning and studying. So this learning studying process provides us the direction to do some innovative work in the society and the work for the nation. So I that will provide us good ideas on the which we will be able to do some innovative work. So thank you so much. I would not like to have take more time. Dr. Pankaj, I would request you to take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir, for your kind words and your wishes. Thanks. Now, I'm going to start this event. As we know that the students are going to conduct this full competition, we have divided the BB and all that team into 3 categories. And there are leaders, those who are going to go forward with their facts and figures. Here, the first one is Aarti Gaur and Akanksha. They are representing team A. Then Nazra Noori, Muhammad Shadab, they are from B, and Shinki and Shweta Singh, they are representing for C group. So here now the before starting this, I'll again say a few something related to this event, that the students here, they are going to show their competitive levels on the basis of the facts and customers' need, the market situations and other factors. And here we are going to show their like features, and they are going to conduct this competition on the same basis. So here now I am welcoming our first team leader, Aarti Gaur, to conduct this event now. Okay, Aarti.
Good morning, everyone. HOD sirs. So today we are here to talk about the topic of perfect competition. I'm Aarti Gaur from BBA first year. I'm telling you about the business plan. Admit the entrepreneur in the investment process, and the plan must be outstanding if it is to win investment funds and support for only a well conceived and well packaged plan can win the necessary investment for your ideas. It must describe the company or proposed project accurately and attractively. Students have grouped themselves in various sections and keeping the features like investment, plans, customers, need, market situations, and other factors. They are here to emphasis on their business plan. So I am inviting to Abhishek Rathi.
Okay, Abhishek now.
Thank you, Aarti. Good morning, sir, and all the respected teachers are present here. And my name is Abhishek Rathi. I am from BBA, first year. My topic is market. What is market? Market is a basic thing where buyers and sellers coming together for selling their product and services. Because in an old time, when their products are not, market is not there, the buyer and seller both are in problem. Buyer have to search in the whole place for buying that, and seller have to search the each villages to do sales. That's why the group of person make the market where the buyer and seller coming together for sell their product and services, where the buyer and seller are willing to pay and sell their services at the fixed price. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, go to the another one now.
Thank you, Abhishek. And now I am inviting to Bubbly Pal for perfect competition.
Unmute yourself, Bubbly. Unmute yourself.
Sorry, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Bhakti. Today I am going to tell about on the topic of definition of perfect competition. A perfect competition is a market structure that there are a large number of producers producing homogeneous product. No individual can influence the price of the commodity. An example of perfect competition is fruit vendors, people who sell at the same place. There are large number of buyers and sellers. There are no exit barriers. The products are homogeneous. Perfectly mobility of the factor is buyers can easily switch from one sector to another. That's all about that's all about of my topic. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Bubbly.
I am Peko Ali.
Thank you. Yeah, next one, please.
Now I am inviting to Aditya, who will tell about the large number of buyers and sellers in perfect competition.
Yes.
Good morning. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, sir. Good morning, teachers, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Aditya Mishra, currently pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration from IMT Group of Management, and my section is A. Today, I'm here to tell a few words on the topic perfect competition. A perfect competition is a situation where in the market there are large number of buyer and seller are engaged in the purchase and sale of the identically similar products. So perfect competition market is dominated by the presence of large number of buyer and sellers commodity, which means that there is no such buyer or sellers in the market whose purchase or sale is so large as to impact the total sale or purchase in the market. Each buyer or seller has only a fractional share in the market, demand and market supply. Actually, in real terms, the perfect competitive market is very difficult to exist. So in order to understand, I'll give you an example of perfect competitive market. We can take an example of vegetable market. In a vegetable market, if one of the vendor is selling the potatoes with the cost of 20 rupees per kg, so whole market has to sell the potatoes at the cost of 20 rupees per kg only. If one of the vendor is selling at 10 rupees per kg, then it is illogical to sell the potatoes at the price of 10 rupees per kg, which because it makes no sense. If someone is selling at 30 rupees per kg, so that means he is also in a loss. So therefore, the price is determined by the forces of market demand and market supply. No individual buyer or seller has any control over it. Each buyer or seller has to accept the price as it is in the market. Thank you. That's all.
Very good. Good explanation from your side. Okay, the next one, please.
Thank you, Aditya Mishra. And I'm calling up to Faika Ali for some examples of the large number of buyers and sellers.
Aditya, you can switch off your camera.
Good morning, everyone. I am Faika Ali from BBA Section A. Today, I am going to share my views on my topic, example of large numbers of buyers and sellers in a perfect competition. Suppose that in a shopping mall, there are large numbers of sellers working together. If one of them is supposed to increase the price of any particular homogeneous product, then that will not be implemented. So, no single seller or single buyer can change the market price with a small increase in price. The buyer will immediately move to another seller as a seller is a price taker, not a price maker. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, next one, please.
Now I am calling to Gagandeep Kaur.
Thank you, Arti. Good morning to everyone, respected teachers and HOD. My name is Gagandeep Kaur and I am from BBA Section A. I am here to present my views on the topic homogeneous product. The homogeneous product offered for sale in the market are homogeneous. That is, the product sold is identical in all respects like size, shape, quality, color, etc. Therefore, the buyers are willing to pay only the same price for the products of all the firms in the industries. It also implies that no individual firm is in a position to charge higher price for its product. This ensures uniform price in the market. Due to the homogeneity of goods, purchase of goods is a matter of chance, not a choice. Thank you.
It's nice. Okay, the next one, please.
Thank you so much. And now I am calling to Ritik Pandey, who will tell us about what is an example of a homogeneous product.
Thank you, Arti. Good morning, teachers and good morning, teacher and my today's topic is example of homogeneous product. तो मैं कुछ एग्जांपल बताना चाहूंगा जैसे कि homogeneous product के कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं fruits, oil, sea water और भी etc. सर ये सब एग्जांपल्स हैं. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, next one, please.
Now I am calling to Divyanshi Mittal.
Unmute Devanshi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divyanshi. I'm a BBS first year section A. Today my topic is the features of perfect competition, entry and exit. In a perfect competition, every seller has a choice to entry and exit from the industry. There are no barriers to their entry and exit. This characteristic ensure that there are no abnormal profit and losses in the long run. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, next one, please.
Now I am calling to Ankita.
Thank you, Aarti. Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Pankaj sir for giving me this opportunity. I am Ankita, student of BBA first year, and my topic is example of free entry exit under perfect competition. In this case, we can take the example of a cafe. As we all know that there are certain firms which sells homogeneous products. In case of cafe, market में बहुत सारे कैफे हैं जो कि homogeneous products provide करते हैं. हम इसमें जैसे मन करे वैसे एंट्री और एग्जिट ले सकते हैं बिकॉज यहाँ कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होती और हम यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट्स की पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन देने में बिलीव करते हैं. यहाँ पे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स भी होते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर.
Yeah, next please.
Now turn is Jyoti Talan, who will tell about perfect knowledge.
Good morning to all respected guests, dear teacher, and my dear friends. I am Jyoti Talan in front of you, and today's my topic is perfect knowledge, which is the one of the feature of perfect competition. The sellers and the buyers both must have the perfect knowledge about the product, so that the buyers do not purchase from the sellers at higher price, and the sellers must also have the perfect knowledge about the product price of the product, so that they do not sell their product at the lower price than the market. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now turn is our second leader, Akansha.
Yeah, Akanksha now. Yeah, Akanksha, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Good morning, teachers and everyone. Myself, Akansha. Here I represent my topic, perfect mobility. Perfect mobility is a factor of a production, and in a perfect mobility, there are films easily move to one another, and their worker and laborers also freely move to one to another film. It means that कि perfectly mobility का मतलब ये होता है, जो mobility होता है उसका मीन ये होता है कि free to move, हम easily तरीके से एक फिल्म से दूसरी फिल्म पर मूव कर सकें. इसमें जो वर्कर्स और लेबर्स होते हैं वो बहुत इजीली तरीके से मूव कर सकते हैं, उन पे कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होती हैं. दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Yeah, call the another one, please.
Now turn is Amisha, telling about the absence of the transport cost.
Good morning to all of you and respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, my name is Amisha Singh from BBA Section A, and my topic is absence of transport cost. No transport cost from the place of production to the market sector of production, and goods are transported without any cost. This condition is essential for the perfect competition, and which requires that a commodity must have same price everywhere at any time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amisha. Now I will call up to Himanshi.
Listen, all the students, those who are expected to say, they will only on the video, rest they should off their videos and unmute when you are going to say. Please unmute when you are going to say and switch off your video, those who have done, and those who are expected to say, they will only on their videos. Thank you. Aarti, say to Yudhvir also.
Himanshi Chaudhary.
Yeah, Himanshi.
And who began answer was here.
Hello.
Under हम जानते हैं प्राइस बना it has no is price and industry is also direct or
Please mute yourself. Those who are not required, please
Excuse
mute
me.
yourself. Mute and switch off your videos. If it is required, then only switch on your videos. Rest, switch off the videos. Okay. Next one is, please.
I will call to Anushka.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, I am Anushka from BBA first year, and I am here to present my views on the topic of market, competition and service, which is so. Second, buyers and sellers. It affects all the transactions. Third, close contact. In market, very context of area. There is a communication or competition among buyers and sellers that local market, international market, national market, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, next one, please.
First of all, सब अपना mic mute कर लें.
Now you can invite.
And now my turn. And I will tell you about the conclusion of the perfect competition. The perfect competition can only exist in a world where time is not moving, and that is definitely an impossibility. It's determined by force of market demand and market supply. Industry sell his product at given price. It is therefore said that the perfect competition, a fair competition, is a price taker. And industry is a price maker. And we explain the three basic features of perfect competition. First is a large number of buyers and sellers. In a perfect competition, very large number of buyers and sellers. Second, the homogeneous product. And third is the perfect knowledge and perfect mobility to the buyers and the sellers. And the last one is firm is a price taker and industry is a price maker. Industry is a price maker and firm is a price taker.
Okay, Aarti, you can give to others also. They also want to say something. Now switch over to the next candidate, please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Who is the next leader now?
Akansha Rajput.
Akanksha, you just introduce your team and start saying your words. Take a little time because other teams are also waiting. Please go with the shortest explanations. Yeah, Akanksha, introduce the next one. Unmute yourself first. Unmute yourself. Your voice is not coming. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Now, who will say what? Tell the names.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Or Muhammad Shadab is there? Who is assisting you? Muhammad Shadab?
सर ये हमारी सेक्शन की नहीं है आइए मैं नाम
Okay, then who is section B?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Nazra.
Yes, sir.
Now you introduce your team and start.
Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Director sir, HOD sir, all faculty members, teachers, and all my dear friends. On the
Show
behalf
your
of
face also,
section,
please. Nazara, keep the camera on your face. Yeah, now I can see.
oh, good morning, director sir, all faculty members, teachers, and all my dear friends. On the behalf of section B, allow me to extend a warm welcome. Hey everyone, welcome to our products. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nazra Noori, and I am delighted to be have today to talk to you about monopoly. So first of all, I will define what is monopoly. The word monopoly is a Latin word. Mono means single and poly means the same. Monopoly is a form of market organization in which there is only one seller. There is no close substitute for the commodity sold by the seller. Now, topic explain, Mr. Shada. Please can you explain?
Hello. बोल दीजिए ना।
Thank you. Good morning. May I speak? Good morning, respected sir, faculty members, and all my dear friends. Thank you for giving me a chance for telling these features of monopolies. I will tell you that.
Okay.
Is a monopoly.
Please check your net. Shadab. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please check your net. Yeah, वो कह रहे हैं कि कोई मुझे उस मीटिंग में एंटर करें. Someone has to let me enter. अभी चल रहा है ना? हाँ, नहीं एंटर नहीं कर पा रहे. Okay, go ahead. Next one.
Sir, me, I speak.
Yes, say. Your voice is not clear. Shut up.
Sir, then I tell. I will speak, sir. You want
Okay,
my
now.
voice?
Okay, say.
Good morning.
एक Okay. Carry on. You carry on and pass to the next candidate, please.
In profit maximize profits. Second is price maker. The monopoly decided the price of the goods or product. Third is high barriers. Other sellers are not unable to enter the market. That's one high barriers. And fourth and last is the single seller. In a monopoly, one seller produces easy language. Single seller.
Give to the next one now. Okay. Please invite the another one.
Can I, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, Shadab, to giving me. Hello, good morning, sir, dear friends, and my HOD. This is Komal Mishra from BBA first year, and my topic is profit maximization, which is the characteristics of monopoly. there is only one firm who produce a product, and there is a lot of buyer who buy a product from the firm, and there is a no competition, and there is a no substitution in the market who compete to other. So that's why a firm can charge his price and buy can buy his product. It means that कि मार्केट में सिर्फ एक ही फर्म होते हैं जो गुड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, और लॉट्स बायर्स होते हैं जो कि गुड्स खरीदते हैं, और फिर उनके लिए क्या होता है कि उनके लिए प्रॉफिट कमाना बहुत इजी हो जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक फर्म होता है जो कि गुड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और लोगों को खरीदना होता है उसी फर्म से. Thank you to giving me this opportunity, and I want to switch over the Monday.
मैं तो
Thank you, Komal. Thank you, Komal. Honorable Director Sir, HOD Sir, and concerned faculty teacher Mr. Pankaj Sir, and guest members. Dear ladies and gentlemen, good morning all of you. My name is Manmohan Pandey, a student of BBA first year. On the behalf of Section B, I will go to discuss the topic different equilibrium stages under monopoly. Now, in short run, there are two possible cases, abnormal profit and normal profit. In abnormal profit, there is no competition among the sellers. As a result, the owners charge high rate of prices for their products and earn abnormal profit. In these cases, average revenue is greater than average cost. And now in normal profit, average cost is equal to the average revenue. Now, next is long term. In long term, monopolist does not allow the entry of other sellers in the market. So monopolist always a super normal profit in long term. Thank you so much. And I next hand over the meeting to Nandita.
Good morning, everyone, respected Director Sir, HOD, and guests. I'm Nandita, and today's my topic is merits and demerits of monopolies. And this is the merits of monopolies. First one is monopoly is able to capture large economics of scales, increase outputs of product, decrease in average cost of productions. This can be passed on to consumers in the form of lower prices. And second one is monopolies can pay and afford to pay higher wages and salaries than the small firms. For example, median starting salary at Google in 2016 was about 107,000, which is double in the industry median. And the second one is, this is demerits of monopolies. And the first one is higher prices than in a competitive market. In monopolies face inelastic demands and so can increase prices, giving consumer no alternatives. For example, in 1980s, Microsoft had a monopoly on a PC software and charged a high price for a Microsoft Office. And the second one is decline in consumer surplus. Consumers pay higher prices and fewer consumers can afford to buy. This is also led to a allocated inefficiency because the price of greater than the marginal cost. Thank you. And the next topics I'm hand over to Nikhil. Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning to all of you. My name is Nikhil Yadav and my topic is welfare cost of monopoly. A monopolistic produces less output and a sales it is a higher price than a perfectly competitive firm. The monopolistic behavior is costly to the consumers who demand the monopolistic output. The cost of monopoly that is borne by consumer is illustrated. In a perfect market, the firm marginal revenue curve is also equal to the market price of $5. Therefore, total output in a perfectly competitive market will be 5 units in a monopolistic market. Thank you. Now I am going to hand over next topic to Pratiksha. She will continue.
Rahul Kumar, please switch off your this video.
Good morning,
Okay.
sir. My topic is revenue curve under monopoly. In a monopoly market, the marginal revenue curve and the demand curve are downward sloping. Production occurs where marginal cost and marginal revenue intersect. Perfect competition in a perfectly competitive market, the marginal revenue curve is horizontal and equal to demand or price. Monopoly is opposite to perfect competition. Under monopoly, both AR and MR curve slopes downward. It indicates that to sell more unit of a commodity, the monopolist will have to lower the price. In case of pure monopoly, AR curve can be rectangular hyperbola. In this situation, a producer is so powerful that by selling his output at different prices, that can make the consumer spend his income on the conserved commodity. In this case, AR curve is rectangular hyperbola. It implies that TR of the monopolist will remain same whatever may be the price. Area below each point of AR curve will be equal to each other. When TR is constant, MR curve will be represented by OX axis. Now the next topic I hand over to Priyanshu Verma.
Thank you, Pratiksha.
Thank you.
Yes, Priyanshu.
So I'm going to present on topic by how to in competition to increase firms to so existence of barriers makes the stable. New barriers or firms welcome in a market, they face difficulties. For local downhill of products and them. Now I am going to next topic. Manmohan will continue.
Thank you, Priyanshu.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Manmohan Kishore from BBA first year. At this time, I am here to talk about causes and effect of monopoly. Causes of monopoly: higher cost of scale competition. One causes of natural monopoly are barrier to enter. Second, low potential profit are unattractive to competitors. Potential profit are a key indicator to potential business. And third, ownership of a key resource. Monopoly can arise when one business owns a key resource. For patent, another causes of monopoly is when the government grant a patent to a business. Now, effect of monopoly. Monopoly can be criticized because of their potential negative effect on the consumer. Requesting output onto the market, charging a higher price like in a more competitive market, reducing consumer surplus and economic behavior, testing choice for consumer, reducing consumer supremacy. Thank you. Now next topic explained by FIBA.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. My name is Feba. My topic is differentiate between monopoly and perfect market. A perfect monopolistic market and a perfect competitive market are two market structures that have key distinctions in terms of market share, price, control, and barriers to entry. In a monopolistic market, there is only one firm that dictates the price and supply level of goods and services. That firm has total market control. In contrast to monopolistic market, a perfect competitive market is composed of many firms where no one firm has market control. In the real world, no market is purely monopolistic or perfect competitive. Every real world market companies elements of both of these market types. Now I hand over to Rahul and Neha for their summaries.
Thank you, Faber.
Okay.
Thank you,
And
Faber.
please
Good
be
morning,
very
everyone.
brief, very brief. Because others competitors are also waiting to say something. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rahul Shukla.
Myself, Neha Kumari. We are delighted to be here to talk to you summary of monopoly. A monopoly is a firm that is the sole seller in its market.
Monopoly is a Latin word. Mono means single and poly means seller.
It faces a downward sloping demand curve for its product.
Pure monopoly, single seller of a product with no close substitute.
Monopolists can raise their profit by charging different prices to different buyers based on their willingness to pay.
A monopoly causes deadweight losses similar to the deadweight losses caused by taxes.
If the market failure is deemed small, policymaker may decide to do something at all.
Price discrimination can raise economic welfare and lessen deadweight losses.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, please
Thank you so
invite the
much, sir.
other one. Yeah, Shadab. Have you all candidates over now?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, then invite the another leader. May I invite Shinki or Shweta, please? Okay, Yudhavir.
Okay.
Okay. Shinki, she will introduce the class now.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन
Good
यूवी बोलो यूवी इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा है यूवी
Good morning to all present here. My name is Yudhavir Singh from IMT Group of Management, BBA first year section C. We are presenting here to represent our topic, our monopolistic competition. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to authority of college who gave me us a golden chance to speak over this platform. I am hand over the next topic, definition of monopolistic to Shinki Tiwari. Let's start.
All the best.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sinki Tiwari from BBA first year section C. I am going to give the chance. Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance to talk about monopolistic competition. So here I am going to talk about the definition. Monopolistic competition refers to a situation where there is a large number of sellers and buyers, but they sales differentiated of products. Monopolistic is a mixture of monopoly and perfect market. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लीजिए जैसे मोनोपोलिस्ट होता है वहां पे हम होमोजीनियस प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं मोनोपोली में बट मोनोपोलिस्टिक में हम डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है कॉलगेट का मार्केट में मान लो हम कॉलगेट लेने जाते हैं तो हम वहाँ पे लेते हैं प्रेस्पोडेंट अगर हमें लेना होता है बट हमें वहाँ पे प्रेस्पोडेंट नहीं मिलता है तो हम दूसरा कोई भी कॉलगेट लेकर आ जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे हमें डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं यहाँ पे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स होता है एंड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स भी होते हैं Thank you. Now I'm hand over the next topic to Vaibhav Misra.
Thank you, Shinki.
Thank you, sir.
Myself, Vaibhav Mitra. I am feature of market. Large number there are large number of buyers closely related but not homogeneous product. Each firm acts independently and has a limited share of the market. So an individual firm has a limited control over the market price. Large number of firms leads to competition in the market. Thank you.
So now I am going to invite Rinki Sharma.
Okay.
Good morning to all present here. My name is Rinki Sharma. I am from IMT Group of Management, BBA first year section C. We are presenting here to represent our topic over monopolistic competition. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to Sir who gave us a golden chance to speak over this platform. Like free
Thank you.
competition under monopolistic competition, also the firm can enter and exit freely. The firm will enter when the existing firm are making supernormal profits. With the entry of new firms, the supply would increase, reduce the price, and hence the existing firm will be left only with normal profits. Similarly, if the existing firms are sustaining losses, some of the marginal firms exit. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now call the
So
next
now I am going to
candidate.
invite Riya Goyal.
Good morning, sir. HOD, sir. My name is Riya Goyal from BBA first year, section C. I want to speak about product differentiation feature of monopolistic competition. Product differentiation is a distinct feature of monopolistic competition. Differentiation implies that the rival firms are selling products which are not perfect substitute but are close substitute of each other. For example, Dettol and Lux are close substitute but are not perfect substitute of each other. Thank you. I hand over to Sahil.
Thank you, Ria. Sahil, unmute yourself first. Unmute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Riya Goyal. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sahil from BBA first year, section C. Today, I'm here in front of you to present my topic, that is selling cost, which is the feature of monopolistic competition market. Selling cost is the special feature of monopolistic competition market. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फर्म होते हैं जो कि अपना काफी तरीके के खर्चे करते हैं, जैसे कि इसमें मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो उनका खर्चा होता है वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट पे होता है, ताकि उनका प्रोडक्ट आगे प्रमोट सेल हो सके, और जिसकी वजह से उसके सेलिंग कॉस्ट और उस प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड और प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट पे भी इफेक्ट पड़ता है। और इस मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन मार्केट का मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट ही पर्पस होता है। थैंक यू सर एंड ऑल। नाउ आई एम हैंड ओवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक टू रिया तायल।
Very pleased and good morning to one and all present here. My name is Ria and I am going to explain my topic, lack of perfect knowledge. Buyers and sellers do not have perfect knowledge about the market condition. Selling costs create artificial superiority to the mind of the consumer, and it becomes very difficult for the consumer to evaluate different products available in the market. There are innumerable products, each being a close substitute of the other. Therefore, too many buyers purchase a product out of a few varieties which are offered for sale near the home. Sometimes a buyer know about a particular commodity where it is available at low price. Thanks.
Thank you.
So now I am going to hand over the next topic to Sachin Singh.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Sachin Kumar Singh, and my topic is features of monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, there is a lack of mobility in factors of production, products and services. Thus, moving to other firms become difficult for them as the product of one firm is differentiated from the product of other firm, and they do not know how to produce the product of the firms. Thank you.
Now I am going to hand over the next topic to Srishti Singhal.
My name is Srishti Singhal and my topic is more elastic demand in monopolist. So, demand in monopolist market. Because the monopolist competitive firm product is differentiate from other products, the firm will face its own downward slope market's demand curve. This demand curve will be considerable more elastic than the demand curve than a monopolist face, because the monopolistically competitive firm has less control over the price than it can charge for its output. Thank you. And now I am hand over Shweta Singh.
Yeah, Shweta.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shweta Singh from BBA first year. I am presenting the topic is examples of monopolistic competition. Examples of monopolistic competitions can be found in every high state. Monopolistic competition films are most common in industries where differentiation is possible, such as the restaurant business, hotels and pubs, general specialist retailing, consumer services such as hairdressing. I hand over to Sanskriti Jain.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you,
Now
sir.
invite everyone.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sanskriti Jain here to present my topic advantages of monopolistic competition. Firstly, my first point is there are no significant barrier to the entry, therefore the market is relatively constant. And my second point is it's create the differentiation, diversity, utility and choices. For example, हमारे जो market में बहुत सारे hotels या cafe होते हैं, तो उसमें से हम लोग किसी में भी जाके choice कर सकते हैं. And then my third and last point is the market is more efficient than the monopoly, but less efficient than the perfect competition. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So now I am going to invite Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu,
आ
are
रहा
you
हूँ मैं
there?
अरे आ रहे
शिंकी कैमरा अपने सामने लाओ, तुम्हारे फेस से ऊपर जा रहा है. हाँ, now it should be in a clear vision.
मेरा
Fine.
नमस्कार.
Okay. नमस्ते विष्णु. Start.
कैसे हो सर?
This is recording. Please go ahead with your work.
ओके सर. सर मेरा का टॉपिक है डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मोनोपोलिस्टिक.
Okay.
फर्स्ट पॉइंट है सर हायर प्राइसेस ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स. सेकंड पॉइंट है सर लेस इंसेंटिव टू कट कॉस्ट. थर्ड पॉइंट है सर लेस इन
If it is not prepared, then let the others to speak out. शिंकी दूसरे किसी और को इनवाइट कर
Yes,
लो
sir.
फिर.
So now
Okay,
I am
Vishnu,
going to
thank you.
invite Ritika. Ritika Yadav.
Thank you, Shinki. Good morning to all.
Shinki, your camera. Please be in front of camera. Okay.
Good morning to all here. I am Ritika Yadav in front of you, and I deliver my views on a topic causes of emergence of monopolistic market. A company controls a key natural resources supply to other companies. Thus, it controls the final prices of the market. A company is given to the right by the government for the exploitation of the other resources. Thank you.
So now I am going to invite Riya Goyal for final conclusion. Riya Goyal. Riya Goyal.
Is Riya here? Okay, then Shinki, just
My name
conclude
is
your
Riya
part.
Goyal. Finally, I give conclusion about monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, there are large number of buyers and sellers of a product. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ria. Shiki, now.
Finally, I give conclusion about monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, there are large number of buyer and sellers of a product. See in this picture, there are large number of buyers and sellers of a product. But the product are not identical to each other, but are close substitute of each other. See in this picture, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, one seller sells Dettol, one Dove, and one seller sells Pears. In monopolistic competition,
कैमरा ऑन करो.
In monopolistic competitions, firms are free to enter and exist in the market. So from the point of business enterprise, monopolistic competition is the best for competition in the market. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Ria.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Now, I would like to invite our guest, honorable guest, Mr. Amit Arora, to say a few words for our children. Sir. Amit, sir, please. I think some problem is there, just I'll let. Hello. Mr. Amit Arora ji is here. Hello. Yeah, sir. We are waiting to hear from you side.
Yes, sir. तो network issue हुआ था. Yes, sir.
Sir, now I would like that if you'll say some words for our students.
So very nicely presented. सबने अपना अपना काम अच्छी तरह divide किया हुआ था. And I would just like to say keep doing the good work and always relate these markets to the latest what is happening in the world right now. आपको बताऊं कि वर्ल्ड में दो तरह की मार्केट्स बहुत कॉमन है इस समय, एक मोनोपोलिस्टिक मार्केट और एक ओलिगोपोली. आई थिंक हमारे आज के पॉइंट में ओलिगोपोली नहीं था, पर ओलिगोपोली बहुत ही फ्यू फर्म्स वाली मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा है इस समय, जो पूरा कवर कर रही है इस समय. अमेरिकन की वे ऑफ वर्किंग यही है कि वो कुछ फ्यू फर्म्स हैं उनकी जिन्होंने पूरे बिजनेस पे एक्चुअली कंट्रोल किया हुआ है. सो वेरी वेल प्रेजेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स. कीप इन टच विद व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ and you will be able to present in a better way. Very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. At last, I would like to thank our honorable guest, Mr. Amit Arora ji, our director, sir, IIC president, HODs, faculty members, and all the other our students from different sections, BBA, BCN, BJMC, etc., for giving their contribution thoughts for this nicest way. I would like to thank all the team members who has cooperated in making this event possible. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome, welcome, everyone. It was the nicest one. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to everyone. It was the nicest part from your side.
Thank you, sir. ताली मार दे.
Thank you, sir जी.
गलत बात.